course, some of you who are wondering about my eating the menu, no necessarily deadline or end date in mind of the Cheesecake Factory. This is on eating. You're like, can you just like put in a video for us to like confirm? Can you confirm this for us? So here's that confirmation. On eating exclusively cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory, 23 July 2025 AD to present. Yeah, and today the present is Monday, 18 May 2026 AD. And here I, Tanis hers of Seattle, reflect on exclusively eating exclusively cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory, 23 July 2025 AD to present. That's right. So I had a slice of chocolate Godiva cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory on 23 July 2025 AD. That was a part of a weekend Wednesday. And I've only eaten cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory since then. I haven't branched out to other menu sections. And so I am gonna, with this, clarify, like, I do eat the whipped cream and toppings that come with the slice of cheesecake, but like I order the cheesecake, and that's like I eat what I get for the cheesecake order. And I'm even more boring than that. I've only ordered cheesecake slices. Okay. I have eaten the entirety of every cheesecake slice I have ordered. And I have hit pause on my kind of going in part. I'm just kind of like, I'm just hitting pause. I made a lot of progress, and I'm figuring some other stuff out, kind of, and it doesn't mean like, and I'll put pause doesn't mean a no on me going. It's just kind of like, if I go, it might not be like full steam ahead. Like, you know, I was doing 3 cheesecakes in a row, like multiple times a month. Cheesecake. So I'm like that particular approach has been put on pause. It's not a complete shutdown, right? Like, I'm still open to it, though. The pause allows me to just kind of be like, we'll see. I've also kind of decided, so if I wanted to eat outside of this eating the menu attempt, that like decide at the time whether I want something to count or not. So like if I were to go for whatever reason and eat at the Cheesecake Factory, if I really wanted a YouTube video and you know, me eating at least a bite or something like that, and I didn't do it, then I might not count it, kind of thing. I have before this launching of this pursuit last year, I had eaten at the Cheesecake Factory before, and so the eating the menu is, in that sense, I've already, and it was a family occasion, so it was like, you know, like if I don't want to count stuff from family occasions at the Cheesecake Factory, I don't have to. It's my eating the menu attempt, not a family, it's mine, and so and none of my family has joined me on the eating of a slice of cheesecake. So that kind of thing. So in that sense, it through its termination, or calling it, or whatever, finishing or termination or whatever, it's a yeah, it's a my attempt. And I like the cheesecakes. They're good. They're very tasty. Yeah, but the closest location is a chunk of a like 20 to 40 minute drive, depending on traffic. So it is a little chunk of a drive. And so that and kind of thing, keeping that in mind, there's a little bit of, and I don't have necessarily as much stuff to do out that way currently. So there's it hit a natural pause is how I'll phrase it. But I'm happy with the cheesecakes. I'm like, I don't know, like, if I were to only eat one section of menu, like, you know, I'm like already thinking about like, you know, like, but could I, you know, just like, you know, even just like having the, you know, a friend over, so to speak, or soulmate, you know, kind of thing, and like living together is, there's a little bit of like, but we could just do this. We could just like go and buy a slice and put them in the fridge, or we could like, that could become like something we do like with our friends group, is like we bring the cheesecake, but like which cheesecake is it this time? You know, that kind of, like, we've been having fun on, I guess, thinking through hosting together with my soulmates. So with this one, it's we quite enjoy it. We quite adore it. So thank you for all the tasty cheesecake, the Cheesecake Factory.